Good morning everyone. For today's video, ako ay mag-exercise. Medyo jogging, walking and jogging outside now. So I'm just getting ready to go out and then wear my shoes downstairs and then I'm gonna bring my dumbbells. So see you later on.